Hi y'all, welcome back here on my channel. So today I'm gonna show you what I purchased from the online shop, and you know what it is. So this is from Melay Apparel Shop. So shout out to Melay Apparel Shop. So this is my this is the second thing that I purchased from them. This is actually the same item that I had the last time. So it's gonna be a bathrobe that I'm gonna wear for my upcoming travel. So karon ako ng abrihan, guys, kay you know I do love wearing bathrobe, especially kung maligo ko o kung unsa man ako buhaton. Ganahan kay kumag suot og bathrobe. And also, mas comfy siya kung i-compare lang nimo sa normal towel, kay normal towel ihikot pa nimo, right? For this, diretso ra nimo suot and then tie, and that's it. So, while browsing on my TikTok shop, nagpalit na po ko og lain nga color. It's the same item, same bathrobe, but different color. So, let's open it. So, I have the scissor with me. Nabihan na natin siya. Let's start and mag-fit check sad ta. If okay. So, Melay's Apparel Shop, thank you for sending this item. Wow. Ang color na I choose is, mura siya black tan-aon, but it's navy blue. I like navy blue color. Gusto po na ako mga dark color, guys, kay the last time I bought like a dark pink, something na mura siya na pagka-purple, purplish nga pink siya, but I do love it. And for this time around, nag-order ko og navy blue because this is no longer available pag-browse na ako sa item, and gusto jud na ako yung color kay di siya dumihin. As you can see, mura siya color black, but it's like navy blue siya, pero pag kuanan mo siya pagkamulag purple. Look at that. And also, I love the fabric. Pwede pa mo mag-request na palagyan ng name sa likod. But for me, I just want it to be plain and simple. So, that's why. Oh. Dari, putakan ninyo siya og name. You can actually request and put notes if you have requested. And mag-pay lang kag additional. I think for the embroidery, that cost around 30 pesos. So, that's it. Mag-additional or mag-add-ons lang ka. So, let's try and fit this item. So, muna na siyang item, guys. Uto na nato, no? There. So, this is the bathrobe. Ano na siya. Then, you have a tie na sa likod. Napo siya other one. Then, tie na siya. Look how comfy it is. Yan. Diba nice siya? Look, yung color. So elegant. And I love it. Alright, guys. Sige. So, kasi ni siyang try. But, look how fab it is. And I just love that. So pretty and simple lang siya, guys. So, if kayo na rin, mag-order na rin kayo. No?